What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going bass fishing on a dirt bike. So we got the dirt bike right here, guys. Basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to be riding the dirt bike to a pond and fishing for bass. And we're going to be limited to just a few baits. So we got some lunker logs, a chatterbait, and a little lipless crankbait, and then one rod. So we're going to be limited to that riding the dirt bike. So let's see how this goes. All right, here we go, guys. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear me from now on, but bear with me here. Got my dad up there. Alright, guys, we're gonna start off with the old lunker log. See if we can catch anything. This pond has a lot of grass in it. Got one, guys. Got one. Oh yeah. Just got the first one, guys. He's not a bad one either. Dang, he swallowed that hook basically. All right, guys, that's the first fish of the day right there. Came on the 5-inch lunker log. Let's let this guy go. All right, guys, that was the first one of the dirt bike mission. Let's catch some more. Got one, guys. Got one. Got one. It's the second one of the day on the 5-inch lunker log, guys. Hooked right through the bottom lip. Nice little bass right there. I'd say about 1.5 pounds. He's heavy. But let's go get a picture with this guy and let him go. Bye, bud. Is he gone? Yep, there he goes. It's number 2 on the 5-inch lunker log right here. So make another cast out there. Try to get another one. Got one, guys. 2 back to back. Came in that grass. Man, that's another nice one. Fun to catch. Calm down, bud. Yeah, he choked that hook too. Jeez, look at that. They are swallowing that. They are hungry. All right, guys. Third one of the day. Nice little healthy bass. Third one on the dirt bike mission. Snag another picture real quick. Let's let him go. Bye. Got one. It's the 4th one of the day, guys. Still on the lunker log. All right, here we go, guys. 4th one of the day. Let's get this guy back in the water. There we go. The dog is interested in that fish. Got another one, guys. 5th one. No, I got one.
Hey, will you pull it out? I want to see what Buddy does. Just
Okay.
put him on the bank. We'll put him back in.
Okay.
I don't think he'll eat it. Wow, that's a good looking one too.
Hold on, let me unhook him.
Yeah. Okay, off he goes. Bill, you ready? There he goes.
Oh.
Get him, Billy, get him. Find it. There he is. There he goes.
Guys, the bite has kind of seemed to just shut off right now. I'm gonna go back over here where I've been catching them, but if that don't work, I think we're gonna have to go because it's getting dark. Got one, guys. Got one. Ooh, it's a nice one. Get up here. Let's go. Number 6. Guys, still using the lunker log. This lunker log is doing work right now. All right, got the hook out. Another nice one, guys. Came on the lunker log again. Let's let this guy go. Chunky little guy. They're all about the same size I've been catching. All right, guys, the bike kind of just shut off, so I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. Caught 6 of them on the 5-inch lunker logs. It was fun though. They were all good fish, no really small ones at all. So if you haven't already, go down in the link, check out all my sponsors, get you some free range coffee, use my code Bryce Bennett. And guys, please like and subscribe. Go check out my boy DC Outdoors, and I'll see y'all next time. B&B Fishing out.